G'day guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup. Thank you for joining us. Today we are making the gin sour. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is grab a shaker, load it up with some ice. We're going to pour 60 ml of a dry gin directly into the shaker. Then 15 ml of sugar syrup. Actually we'll do 30 ml of a fresh lemon. $15 ml of aquafaba. There we go. Good. And 3 dashes. Actually, we'll put the bitters on at the end, I think. And let's shake away. Get a Hawthorn strainer and strain into a coupe glass. And about 3 dashes of bitters. So we'll do that on top. It's a little bit more than 3 dashes, but that'll be okay. And there you have the gin sour. Enjoy.